Well, you win some and you lose some. And well, we're at a wall, so I'm gonna have to take a look around. I can't for the life of me remember where I put the what's going on, guys. So we are continuing to get the teal car done. It's just been a very hectic schedule for me, and trying to make time just to be able to come in here and make these videos and just wrench on my own stuff is not the easiest thing to do right now. So that said, though, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on trying to be consistent, making time for this routinely. I don't know how easy it's gonna be given the fact that I got to get the Supra stuff done and my garage is really tight right now. I don't have a whole lot of room. I don't know if you can see, I got about that much room to work with, but I don't want to make that excuse. We'll figure it out. I'll move some stuff around, get rid of some stuff. Anybody want to buy anything, hit me up. But in the meantime, let's get this thing finished out. I'm going to throw the exhaust system on real quick, tighten the exhaust manifold bolts and get some oil in here, and that should wrap it up. So hopefully it goes without any issues, but hey, it's working on cars, and is that ever the case? Never. So anyways, let's roll. All right, so this is what I'm working with, guys. So 3-inch downpipe, bottlenecked at 2.5, and then and that's a off-brand eBay downpipe. And I couldn't tell you who made the downpipe. Got my gaskets. I got extra gaskets inside as well. But here's the Megan exhaust system that will bolt up to the downpipe. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy in the car. All right, guys, so I'm trying my best to see if I can get a little bit of footage for you, but here I've got the hangers, and inside these grommets are these guides for the actual like bolt and nut set up to hold the stock exhaust system on. So I'm pulling those out from this and that one in order to be able to hang up this Megan section with the muffler. So let me Megan, tomato. Anyways, let me get this up and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's on there, and then proceed with the midsection and then the downpipe. So let's do this. All right, guys, so there's the first part of it. So now let me get further in there and put up the midsection, and then the bolted downpipe up, and we should be good to go. I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of room in there to be able to record for you guys, so just take my word for it that it was successful. All right, downpipe's on. All right, so here is the back half installed. For the life of me, I cannot remember where I put my straight pipe. So installation was almost done until I noticed when I was giving you guys a view of everything I had, I didn't have it at that time. I thought that my straight pipe was on a shelf, but it is not there. So I'm gonna have to look for it. But at this time, at least I've got the downpipe and the back half of the exhaust system installed. So I just need to work on figuring out my situation here and find my part, so I can get this 100% completed. Well, we're at a wall, so I'm gonna have to take a look around. I can't for the life of me remember where I put the test pipe, but it's somewhere. Anyways, that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish tightening up those manifold nuts and putting some oil in here and calling it a day. So I'll catch you guys on the next segment. All right, peace.